Super Slide. How to play. The object of the game is to slide the red square to the exit zone without lifting any blocks. The exit zone is located in the bottom middle. Remove all the magnetic blocks and long press the red button to turn the unit on. Use the black buttons with the arrows to pick a level. The level number will appear one digit at a time, then drop down the colored squares for the puzzle. Orange are single blocks, blue are vertical 2 blocks, green are horizontal 2 blocks, but use the blue 2-block pieces for both colors, and the red is the 4-block. The unit will flash through each block to help show you how they are oriented. When ready, short press the red button to begin. Now, solve the puzzle by sliding blocks up, down, left, and right until you get the red square to the end zone. You may not pick up, remove, or rotate any block. There is no limit to the number of times you can move a block or where you can move it to. When the red block gets to the exit zone, you win, and an animation will play, then the game will advance you to the next level. There are over 500 levels, each increasing in difficulty. If you would like to learn the solution to a puzzle, after you have set up, long press the L button. Then use the arrows to move forwards and backwards, and you can follow along. If you want a challenge, after setup, long press the C button. It will count down from 3. Then you will have a time limit until all the green glowing blocks disappear to solve the puzzle. Depending on the time it takes you to solve the level, you will get a rating based on how well you did. S, A, B, C, or D if you win, and E if you lose. At any point, long press both arrow buttons to save the level you are on. Long press the backwards and red button to return to level 1. Long press the forward and red button to return to your saved level. Short press both arrow buttons to mute and unmute the unit. Long press the power button to turn it off. The unit comes in multiple colors. Check out the link in the description for where you can purchase, and be sure to use the promo code TSG for a 15% discount.